welcome back to my first big landscaping / demolition job of the year. As you can see, I got stump grinder. I got a stump right here I have to grind out. I have a stump right here I have to grind out. One right here and this little bit. And I have to try to get most of this out, but it's kind of right there. And I don't believe I really have to. I can cut this down low to the ground. Fence is not getting put back that far. And then yeah, there's one or two over here I got to grind out. Got to grind out these. I have to grind out this. I'm gonna try and get this out for him. It's pretty rotted, so yeah, like that should come out. So I'm gonna get the stump grinder going. I'm gonna get these ground out on this side, and then I'll start working my way over to here. It's been a while since I've used a stump grinder. I think it's probably been about 7 years since I've used one like this, so we're gonna have a little first time relearning session. So let me get you guys over here and we'll get this baby fired up. Alright guys, I got the first stump ground out. It wasn't too bad. It's just a lot of roots started coming in on the bottom of it, so it wasn't too deep. There's one of the roots, but I'm not going to chase that all the way through the yard. Main part of it's down. They could get in here and plant stuff now. That's going to get raked back in. I'm going to take these two out right now. Get that one and then get over here and get these. It's actually going fairly quick, so hopefully this won't take too long today. Alright guys, check it out. Supposed to rip this stump out? Well, I literally ripped it out. Didn't even have to use the stump grinder. Just hit it with the matic and it popped right up. I got 3 little stumps to grind out over here. So I'm gonna get them, we're gonna get the stuff loaded up, and we're gonna get out of here. Alright guys, check it out. First big landscaping job for the year is done. Chain link fence is all up, picked up. I came down here, I got all the brush that was overhanging right down through here, trim back. Got all the stumps that were around, got them all ground down and out the way. I'm not sure if he wants that cut down. If he does, I'll have to come back and cut it for him, which I don't have a problem doing that. I honestly can't remember if it was in the original bid or not, but I don't think it was. Got all the stumps that were right here, except for this little bit that's right up next to the concrete. Got all this done, blew it off. I didn't want to make another trip, so I asked the customer if I could put a pile of limbs up at the road. He said that's fine. So got a pile of limbs up here for a city, and then I got all this fence loaded up. In the morning I got to cut all this concrete off these posts, and all this has to go in for scrap. So just want to say thank you guys, thank you for watching, have a good day, and I'll have more jobs coming. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.